So mining stocks absolutely got crushed today. GDX down 3%, GDXJ down 3.7%. And silver mining stocks, the actual silver mining index, down almost 6% today. Absolutely getting crushed. Now, one of the biggest things that I've been talking about with these videos here and sharing with you guys across these screens here is this. One of the best things that I do say for your trading right now, guys, is once again, understand how these markets work on a deepest level. And I've been talking about this for the last few, especially the last few weeks, about when the market goes up for a while, we inevitably go through one of these corrections, pullbacks, so on and so forth, to make the trend, right? Because as you can see, right, the market goes up, it pulls back to create the high low, up, pull back to create the high low, up, pull back, create the high low, up, and then we start to go through a bit of a short-term change. The reason why I'm saying that is that because all through here, the market's been going up for the last almost 2 months. So as we know how do markets work, they do this, right? So we've been doing step number 1A here. We're getting ready for this here. Now, what is that? All that is potentially just a bit of a pullback to create the high low. Market's in a very big, strong trend. In a strong trend, we have periods of going down to create the high low. So what's coming right now and the market going down right now, and we're starting to get some really, really strong volume as well too. Very, very, very strong through there, through the GDX as well too, or the GDXJ, a down day. All this is, guys, is this is not the start of a crash, right? This is not the start of a crash or something big in the market. I just believe that, remember, in a bull market, we have higher lows. We don't have a higher low here yet. All I believe this is just a movement up, a movement down, which I've been talking about for the last week, a movement down, and then guess what we get? Right? And then what do we get from there? Then what we get from there is what? Then we get ready for the higher low, and then away we go from there as well too, right? SIL as well too. Silver. Now the thing about silver is that we really need to see a higher low come into place because we've been in a downward trend from here. Down, up, lower high, down, up, lower high. We've been going down. For this thing to turn around, if we come down a little bit, we really need to see a higher low come into place and come back in. If not, this is actually in a downward trend already. This is actually in a downward trend, right? And this is where we can never put a blank statement across the mining sector is. The silver SIL is, and then we go to the SILJ. And the SILJ is, and then again, the trend is your friend until the end. Down, up, lower high, down, up, lower high, and now we're going down again. Again, if this is going to change, we need to come down, hold roughly around 50 to 60% of this move here, and then create the high low. Then we can start to see a very big move. But until that happens, guys, the silver mining stocks look quite weak. But once again, if I go back to the actual gold mining stocks, the gold mining stocks are already, we were in this down lower high pit through here. Now we're rallying back up. What we need to see for the trend to start. The trend hasn't started yet. We just had to move up. Move down, right? For the trend to start, we need this high low, and then away we go from there.